The political landscape here in Eastern Samar is no longer as intense as compared to the previous elections, thanks to the alliance formed between Governor Aklan Dinicart and Congressman Ben Ibardoni, who, by the way, are former rivals now turned friends. Before or after martial law, this is the very first time that a sitting governor and an incumbent congressman are running together in the same party so that they can solidify their support to administration standard bearer, Mar Rojas. It was also Mar Rojas who's being credited in forming this alliance so that they can corner more than 300,000 votes in this small province of Eastern Visayas. The next question is, will this alliance prove to be effective in bringing the needed votes for the Rojas and Robredo tandem, considering that both Duterte and Marcos have affinity to Region 8 because this is their parents' region? That we will know on May 9. I'm Derek Alviola, Rappler, Borongan City.